The early morning hours hold a special kind of magic. As the first light of dawn breaks through the horizon, the world begins to stir from its slumber. The gentle hues of the sunrise paint the sky in soft pastels, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere that is perfect for reflection and introspection. The world is still quiet. The hustle and bustle of daily life have yet to begin, offering a rare moment of peace and solitude. This quietness allows you to hear the subtle sounds of nature, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle whisper of the wind. The air feels fresh and new. Each breath you take is filled with the crisp, clean scent of morning dew. The cool breeze gently caresses your skin, invigorating your senses and awakening your spirit. This is a time when everything feels possible, a moment of renewal and rejuvenation. This is a time for you to connect with your inner self. In the stillness of the morning, you can hear your own thoughts more clearly. It is a perfect opportunity to practice mindfulness and meditation, allowing you to delve deep into your consciousness and find inner peace. This is the perfect time for meditation. As you sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs and then slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress. Focus on your breath, letting it guide you into a state of calm and tranquility. Meditation is like a gentle awakening for your mind and body. It helps you to transition from the restful state of sleep to the active state of wakefulness in a smooth and harmonious way. Your mind becomes clear, and your body feels energized and ready to take on the day. It helps you to feel calm and peaceful. As you continue to meditate, you may notice a sense of serenity washing over you. Your worries and anxieties begin to fade away, replaced by a deep sense of contentment and well-being. This inner peace stays with you throughout the day, helping you to navigate challenges with grace and composure. When you meditate in the morning, you start your day with clarity and focus. Your mind is sharp, and your thoughts are organized. You feel more in control of your emotions and better equipped to handle whatever comes your way. This mental clarity allows you to be more productive and efficient in your daily tasks. Imagine a still pond reflecting the morning sky. The water is calm and undisturbed, mirroring the beauty of the sky above. This is the state of your mind after meditation, clear, calm, and reflective. You are able to see things more clearly and make decisions with greater confidence and insight. This is the state of your mind after meditation. Just like the still pond, your mind is free from the ripples of stress and anxiety. You are able to approach the day with a sense of calm and purpose, knowing that you have taken the time to center yourself and prepare for whatever lies ahead. You feel centered and ready to embrace the day. With each step you take, you carry the peace and clarity of your morning meditation with you. You are confident, focused, and ready to face the challenges of the day with a positive and open mindset. Morning meditation is a gentle yet powerful way to start your day, setting the tone for a day filled with mindfulness, productivity, and inner peace. Somatic mindfulness is a special kind of meditation. It is about paying attention to your body. It is about noticing the sensations within you. Our bodies hold onto stress and tension. Somatic mindfulness helps us to release these negative feelings. It allows us to heal from within. By listening to our bodies, we learn to understand ourselves better. We develop a deeper connection with our inner selves. Find a quiet space in your home. This is your sanctuary for meditation. Choose a space where you feel safe and comfortable. You can sit on a cushion or a chair. Make sure your back is straight but not stiff. Relax your shoulders and let your hands rest gently on your lap. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. This will help you to turn your attention inward. You are now ready to begin your somatic mindfulness journey. Take a moment to settle into your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Allow yourself to become fully present in this moment, letting go of any distractions or worries that may be lingering in your mind. Notice the weight of your body resting on the cushion or chair. Feel the support beneath you, grounding you to the earth. Sense the stability and comfort that this support provides, allowing you to relax even deeper into your meditation practice. Feel the connection between your body and the surface beneath you. Notice how your feet make contact with the ground, providing a solid foundation. Let this connection remind you of your own inner strength and stability. Become aware of the present moment. Allow your senses to open up to the environment around you. Hear the subtle sounds, feel the gentle breeze, and notice the scents in the air. Embrace the fullness of this moment with all your senses. Let go of any thoughts about the past or the future. These thoughts can wait. Right now, your only task is to be here, in this moment. Release any tension or stress that you may be holding on to, and allow yourself to simply be. Gently guide your attention to the here and now. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Acknowledge the thoughts without judgment, and then gently bring your focus back to your breath and your body. This practice of returning to the present moment is a key part of meditation. This is a time for you to simply be. There is no need to do anything or be anywhere else. Allow yourself the freedom to just exist in this space, without any expectations or pressures. It's okay if your mind wanders. This is a natural part of the process. Each time you notice your thoughts drifting, gently guide them back to your breath. With each return, you strengthen your ability to stay present. Just gently guide your attention back to your body and your breath. Feel the rhythm of your breathing, the rise and fall of your chest. Let this rhythm anchor you in the present moment, providing a sense of calm and peace. Remember, this time is for you, to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Don't try to change your breath. Simply observe it without judgment. Your breath is your anchor to the present moment. Each inhale brings fresh energy into your body. Each exhale releases any tension or stress. Allow your breath to guide you deeper into a state of relaxation. Step 3. Journeying through the body. Now bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations you feel in your toes. You might feel warmth, tingling, pressure, or simply nothing at all. Slowly move your attention up through your feet, legs, and hips. Pay attention to each part of your body as you move upwards. Continue this journey through your torso, back, chest, shoulders, arms, and hands. Finally, bring your attention to your neck, face, and head. Step 4. Embracing sensations with kindness. As you move through your body, you might notice areas of tension or discomfort. Meet these sensations with kindness and curiosity. Don't judge yourself for any discomfort you feel. Imagine breathing warm, healing energy into these areas. Allow your breath to soften any tightness or tension. Remember, you are not trying to change anything. You are simply observing and accepting whatever arises with a gentle and loving awareness. Step 5. Transitioning back to the world. This step is crucial as it bridges the serene inner world you've cultivated during meditation with the bustling outer world you are about to re-enter. When you are ready to finish your meditation, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then slowly leaving your body. This simple act of breathing is your anchor, connecting your inner calm to the external world. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Each breath is a reminder of the life force within you, a rhythm that continues regardless of the chaos outside. Let this awareness ground you. Feel the connection between your body and the surface beneath you. Whether you are sitting or lying down, notice the points of contact. This connection is a reminder of your presence in the here and now, a bridge between your meditative state and the physical world. Slowly open your eyes if they were closed. Allow the light to gently enter your vision, bringing with it a sense of clarity and awareness. Take your time. There is no rush. Take a moment to acknowledge the peace and stillness within you. This inner tranquility is your true nature, a state you can return to whenever you need. Smile gently, knowing that this peace is always within reach. Carry this sense of peace with you as you move through your day. Whether you are walking, working, or interacting with others, let this calmness be your foundation. It will help you navigate the challenges and joys of daily life with grace and ease. You are now ready to greet the world with a calm and centered mind. Step into the day with confidence, knowing that you carry within you a wellspring of peace and clarity. Embrace each moment with mindfulness and compassion, and let your inner calm guide you through whatever comes your way. A daily ritual for inner harmony. Make somatic mindfulness meditation a part of your daily routine. Even a few minutes each morning can make a world of difference. The more you practice, the more you will experience the benefits. You will feel calmer, more focused, and more connected to your inner self. Start your day with intention and clarity. Embrace the power of somatic mindfulness for self-healing and inner peace.